Hello, welcome to my class, all my grade 5 students. Now, in this video, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to apply sum and pie chart. Okay, as we have done many things in Microsoft Excel, like how to enter data in the cell, how to increase the size of the column, how to increase the size of the row, and how to apply a margin center, how we can write, how we can fill cells with colors, how we can make borders around it. So we have done almost all the things or the basic things in Microsoft Excel. Um, Now I'm going to show you how to make sum and a pie chart. Okay, I'm going to directly open Microsoft Excel, which you can see at the bottom of my taskbar. So just click on an Excel program and choose a blank workbook. Okay, as you know what is a workbook, now you can see the whole ribbon on the top of it. Okay, now there you go. I'm just showing you how to enter data, how to make some of those data. So I'm just giving you like sample work. Okay, this is just to show you. Okay, like fruits and then vegetables, um, or then candies, chips and all that. Okay, so I'm gonna just click somewhere in the cell and increase the size of the column so your content will fit in it. Okay, at the end I am going to write a total. Okay, I will tell you what is the reason why I wrote total there. I'm just giving you like kind of a survey, or just giving you random information. How many people like ice cream? Like 3. Fruits 5. Vegetables 7. Candies maybe 10. Or chips maybe more than that people. Okay. Now, what's the total of all these content? For me, it is like difficult for like counting all these numbers, or use a calculator for calculating all these numbers. So there's a simple way in Microsoft Excel where you can combine or get a total number of the content using a simple formula that is called auto sum, or the total or the sum of all the content or all the numbers. So what I'm gonna do is to make or use a auto sum, apply auto sum. I'm gonna select from B2 to to B7. Why? Because here in this cell in B7 I need to have a total number of people, those who are liking these items. So in the total, can you see that I've selected from B2 to B7? So in the top, in the ribbon column, you need to go to auto sum. There is an option auto sum in an editing group. Auto sum, click sum. Simple. Now can you see the sum of all those numbers? This is the thing I want you to apply in your own sheet, which is the data is given in your assignment number 3. The data is already there. I'm gonna show you. If you can go to your third assignment, in the third assignment it says, okay, in third assignment I gave you two folders or two files. In this file I've added on 2 videos which will help you, and those 2 videos are all about how to apply AutoSum in Excel program, and the second one is how to apply the pie chart in Excel program. Okay, if you need it, only then you can use it, because it's an optional. It's not mandatory or it's not compulsory for all the students to see this video, because there is no marks or scores on this video, on this resource folder. So the main thing which you need to complete is your assignment number 3, which is this part, and it has marks. So click on it and you can see the whole information there. So just read everything, each and everything, and do the same. I've noticed that some of the students are are in hurry and try to complete their assignment within that day, which is not correct. So please read all the instructions and do the same. So I gave you a kind of a table. You need to do or put the information exactly the same what you can see here and make a total here. So I have to select from B4 to H4 to get a total of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday here. So that's how I want you to do the same for all this data in here. Okay, then the direct instructions are there step by step, so you follow these steps there. I gave you a picture of AutoSum there, and you need to sum up of for all these cells. So you have to select the cell range and add on pie chart, and there you go. It's not a tricky part, it's very simple to apply a pie chart. So we'll directly go to our Excel sheet and how we can create a pie chart. So you have to select the whole data which you need to exactly showing up in the pie chart. So go to insert tab, you can see a chart group there. So in the chart group you can see a pie chart or insert a pie. Now there you have different types of pies. Okay, you have 3D pie, donut type of pie, or 2D pie. I'm gonna use a simple one that is called donut pie. Click on it and there you go, it will directly come onto your Excel sheet. Now you can see there ice cream, fruit, vegetable, candies, chips and total. So this is our total, which is 45%. Can you see the values over there? When I put my cursor here, this is called the series 1 point chips. This is the 20% of the value. What's that? It's series 1 candies. So 10% of the people are liking candies. So that's how it is. I want you to do the same and submit your assignment before the due date. I hope you guys are liking it, and please do not be in hurry. So take time. You have more than 1 week time, like no, actually 1 week time from this Sunday to next Sunday. I'm hoping that you will submit your assignment in a proper in good shape. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you with my next assignment. Bye bye.